Hello, welcome to Java Programming Tutorials, Chapter 9, Getting Input from the User. So brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. So in this session, we are going to learn about how to get the input from the user. So before starting with this session, let me show you a simple demo. So here is my Eclipse. So what I'll do is first I'll add a new Java project and I'll name the project as Getting Input User is my project. Then I'll click finish. So it's going to create a project input user. So I'm going to add a class there. So let me add a class and I'll name the class as user input. Then I'll add the main method. Then I'll click finish. So I have a class right now. So what I'll do is right now you can observe very clearly. Okay. So right now int a equals 10. Okay, then I'll print that system dot out dot println. So now I'm going to print a. So now when I run this program, okay, what is the output I'm going to get? I'm going to get the output as 10. But what if I ask the end user to enter the number? So here I'm hard coding the value, like I'm directly entering the value 10. But what if I ask the user to enter the input from the console? So how to do that? That's what we're going to learn now in this session. So to do that, we need to understand some of the things. So we have a scanner. It's a special class in Java which enable us to take input from the end user, and it is present in this library, that is java.util.Scanner class. Okay, and it's a simple text scanner, and it can parse primitive types and strings using regular expressions. This is a specialty of this class, scanner class. So now let me show you how to work with the scanner. It's very simple. So now let me erase this thing. Okay, now first I need to initialize a scanner. Scanner scan is equal to new scanner. Okay, and inside that I need to call system dot in. So right now you can observe very clearly I'm getting curly red squiggly here. So because I need to add the library where it is present. So how to do that? When I over on that, it will give me an IntelliSense. So what I need to do is I need to import scanner util. So you can observe here at the top we added a library, that is java.util.Scanner, and the red squiggly went. So now what I need to do is let me give a perfect message showing like system.out.println. So now I'm going to tell like enter number. So now what I'll do is I'll create a variable res result is equal to. So now what I need to do is, okay, I need to call that scan dot. Okay, next I need to tell like next int. So here it is going to take the input and store it in this variable. So now what I need to do is I need to again call this. So I'll tell like it is entered number is, okay, so I'll print that number which is stored in this variable, that is result. So now what I'll do is I'll run this program. So you can observe here I'm getting a message like enter number. I'll enter 100, then I'll press enter. You can observe here the entered number is 100. So again I'll run this piece of code, then it'll ask me to enter number. I'll enter as 200, then I click enter. It's telling like entered number is 200. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to get the input from the end user through my console window. So to do that I need to make use of the scanner class. Okay, and it specifies system.in. So if you want to print out the string, or if you want to print a double number, so it's very simple again. So what you have to do is you have to call double, and instead of next int I need to call next double. This is the method. So now I'll run this program. I'll enter the number 123.456. Then you can observe here the number which is the double type is it's printing here. Entered number is this one. Suppose if you want to print a string, so at that time again I'll change this to string. So it is capital S, and here I need to call a different method, that is next line. Next line. So the entered string is, and here also I need to change like enter string, and here too let me change the case string. So let me run this program. I'm going to enter like Harish. So you can observe here the entered string is Harish. So this is how you can take the input from the end user with the help of scanner, and this is present in the library java.util.Scanner. So this is what we learned in this session, like how to take the input from the end user to the console window. So that's for the day. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For the reference of our website, we are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.